So hi, we are in Kishangarh core Gherighat. Lovely site, lovely place. You can see a lovely machan I'm sitting in. The staff here had a lot of issues. Primarily, they don't have drinking water in the camp, and they had to go 400-500 meters down at the river to get the water, and it was difficult for them as well. So we have done a solar system inside the river. We have put a motor inside in Cane River, and we have got the water here. So now the camp will have water. Plus what we are planning is we will take this water to a big grassland where there are a lot of cheetals and other animals out there, and give water to the lake there. So this entire area which is behind us, which is absolutely dry with no water for 6-7 kilometers, will have water at 1 or 2 places inside. Because it is very difficult for the cheetals to go down and drink water every day, they get troubled there. So generally they leave the area. So if we have water in the grassland, they will be comfortable out there. And it is a very beautiful place. We had some issues during installation. It was not easy because it was a steep climb for us. But it's the part of our work, we enjoy it. Hi, we are in Kishangarh core Gherighat right now. So this is the source from where we are picking up the water. If you see, it's the steep up. We are going up and then another climb, and then the Chowki people used to get water from here every day. It gets very difficult for them. Plus it is pretty deep out here. It is infested with crocodiles here, where we are putting our pump here. So let's see the entire process.
मेरा नाम रामखलान बर्मन है, वन रक्षक पटोरी है। जो गहरी घाट में अभी सोलर पंप लगा, अच्छा पानी आ रहा है। और जो कैंप के लिए बरसों से पानी नहीं था यहाँ पर्याप्त, तो हम लोग को बड़ी दिक्कत आती थी। इस पानी होने से बड़ी सहूलियत हो गई है और वन प्राणी की पीने के लिए बहुत सी सुविधाजनक बात हो गई है। और गहरी कैंप में ये सोलर प्लांट में पर्याप्त पानी है, उपलब्धता पर्याप्त हो गई है।
Hi, I'm Dr. P.V. Subramaniam, Director of Earth Brigade Foundation. We have just completed a solar pump installation here at Gherighat in the Kishangarh core of Panna Tiger Reserve. This camp and the surrounding area, in spite of being close to the river bank, is very dry because the river is quite a distance down below this camp. So the entire area is very dry, and that was the reason for us to choose this location. The people in the camp also were having great difficulty in fetching water for their daily needs. So I think by giving this particular installation, we will be able to not only alleviate the problems of the forest staff, but we will be able to provide water to at least 2 different water bodies for the wildlife in the areas around this camp.
We are at Kishangarh in core in Gherighat in Panna Tiger Reserve. We are extremely grateful to the field director, Miss Anjana, and the entire team of Panna Tiger Reserve, who have cooperated with us extremely well and for supporting us in our 24, and now this is our 25th installation in Panna Tiger Reserve. We are grateful to all our donors and supporters and well-wishers. Thanks a lot.